Hey, thanks for coming out to our open house. It's great seeing you. How you doing? Hi. Yeah, how you doing? I'm Sharon. Here, take my business card. So, have you been looking long? I'm not sure if you're working with another agent or not, but if you, oh,
Oh wow, yeah. So the house looks great. It's great. This is a nice kitchen. I like the open concept there. Yeah. Hey. Oh, I didn't notice you had snacks. Are these up for grabs or? Oh wow, Belvita. These sandwiches. These are great. Yeah. I love these. Do you mind if I just take? Yeah. That's. Thank you. Oh, these are good too. You know what? I have my husband and kids are in the car. If I is it cool? It's cool. Oh, thank you. And oh gosh, I love coconut waters. These are great. Hey, thanks again for this is a great house, but it's probably a little overpriced for me. I mean, I'm sure someone will buy it, right? It's just for me, it's a little up there, but maybe I'll send the hubby in there. But thanks again for everything. Oh, actually, these are kind of small, so I'm going to take two if that's all right. Thanks. Oh, actually, I'll grab one of these fruit cup things too. Thanks again. Oh, hey, hi. How are you? Yeah, well, I just live across the street, and is it okay if I'm here? I've, I've never been in here before, and so, yeah, I saw it was for sale. They didn't mention that they were leaving. Did they say where they were moving to, or what was going on? Mm-hmm. Really? Okay. Well, do you mind if I just take a peek around, or is that okay? I mean, I know I'm a little early. Um, is that all right? I've heard they've had like so many parties, like in the basement and stuff like that. Like it's a real party room, and I was always interested to see what that looks like. Yeah. Wow. Yeah, this is a nice kitchen. It's a little small. It's a little small though. Like I think you got to knock down this wall here, and maybe this one is this. I think that's load bearing wall. I don't think you can even knock that down. So the best thing you could do is knock this down over here. And wow, I could tell these outlets are not grounded either. That's a code violation right there. I wouldn't want to have to deal with that. And I noticed that there was some asbestos in the basement. Are they going to take care of that or? Listen, I've been doing this for like 20 years. This is what we do. This is me and my family. Like, we've been in construction for a long time, and I know what I know. I saw some stuff in the attic. Looks like there might be rodent damage. The downspouts, they're all filled of like leaves and crap, and just it's gonna. I'm thinking, we could probably work with it, make an offer, but you're not gonna get, what you're asking for. I'll tell you that right now. You gotta remodel the kitchen and take down walls and get rid of rodents and yeah. But I mean, other than that, it's a solid house. I mean, I noticed a little crack in the foundation too, but we'll see. Maybe we can work something out.